At University of Plymouth we offer 5 postgraduate programmes in dentistry: Masters in Restorative Dentistry, Periodontology, Endodontics, Oral Surgery and Orthodontics. Our 5 MSc programmes are fully accredited by the Royal College of Surgeons. All our programmes are delivered part-time, delivered over 3 years. They follow a similar structure in that the first 2 years teach advanced clinical skills and knowledge. The third year consists of an academic project to attain the Masters. The programmes are designed for busy, practising professionals to work full-time while studying part-time. There is an emphasis on enhancing your own clinical practice through the clinical support days. The group sizes are small to deliver high-quality teaching. Students can bring in their own clinical cases for discussion and supervision on the regular clinical support days. The speakers on our postgraduate programmes are leading consultants, specialists, national and international experts. Most of the teaching takes place in our Exeter education facility. There are excellent transport links here, including airport and train. The clinic is very close to the M5 motorway and there is free parking on site for students. Our MSc graduates have told us what they have gained from studying with us. They explained a number of advantages, from personally having more confidence leading to job satisfaction, to practically having upskilled in areas of interest such as periodontics, endodontics, prosthodontics. This has enabled them to provide a greater range of treatments to their patients. There are important career advantages gained by acquiring an MSc, such as giving yourself a competitive edge in career prospects and for applying for specialist training pathways.